Great day for an ATV ride. It's going to be a little warm. Heading up to Spider Lake. A couple of the guys were in Appleton yesterday for a ride. They said it got hot in the afternoon. We're going to try it again today up in Spider Lake. I can't call it a four-wheeling ride because, well, I ride that. That's only got 3 wheels. But the other guys, they should be here anytime. And here it is. I don't know what we have for a name on that truck. It changes. But there it is. Aiden, tell us what's happening here, please.
Well, I can go like this and start my four-wheeler, but not like this.
There's got to be something in there that'll work.
I don't have a 10 wrench.
Let me see that end.
Yeah, good luck. You gotta spread that and it's all crunched in. It's a solid piece.
That one's pretty good. Can't you just...
I'm just gonna run it into the cable and then pinch it down with the bolt. This is definitely not how you're supposed to do this.
What, break your battery cable on the trail?
Yeah. You're supposed to break it at home.
Hey, you got any of those Cletus zip ties to get this solenoid in place?
Zip ties. We don't need those.
You need one of these?
Yes.
Yeah.
There we go, the Cletus zip ties to the rescue.
Friggin' $1 piece zip ties are worth it.
Get that thing strapped in there.
I want to tighten this knot first. Maybe it stays. Maybe it doesn't. Take some finesse. No, let that hang down.
There we go, just like new.
Better than.
at the big rock at Spider Lake, and for some reason there's a bike in the tree. Somebody made the suggestion that we just bring a motorcycle next time and put up in the air.
And it's like way up.
It's like, climb up on the rock, Tyler.
I can't climb.
Come on, get up on the rock. Caden, you might have to get on the rock.
Nope.
Come on.
Nope, too big of a boy for that.
Caden, get on the rocks.
I suppose I could have cheated and used.
Can you touch it? Yeah, there it is. No, don't take it down. We're gonna leave
That's
it.
how it got up there.
We're gonna leave it.
Until it falls.
Okay. So if you put the bike up there, let us know, because that's kind of funny, actually. I lost the bottom end. With it taking the airbox off, you lose the bottom end, but as you could see, it screams on the top end. She was screaming. I don't know what gear I was in. I was just going because it felt good. Boys, how's your day?
Well, we
Cade-
made it.
Caden, why are you shaking your head?
I got extra parts.
Caden had the most problems today. Tyler, have you ever done battery cable maintenance on the trail?
No.
Is that a normal thing?
Sometimes you just find
No,
out
it's
it's
not.
need maintenance there.
It's not even a normal thing to do anywhere.
Yeah, that's like not even a shop thing. Like you just hook the battery up and you're done.
Like,
Like,
I've bought many machines that have never had a broken positive cable on the battery.
no, you just run it.
Yeah.
No, I think that's maintenance now.
Comment, is a battery cable on the trail maintenance?